Everyone. Hope you are doing well and safe. I am your grammar teacher. Today we are going to do grade 3 grammar chapter number 10, the conjunction. This video will help you to understand the conjunction. In this video we will going to cover introduction of conjunction, definition of conjunction and fanboys. Introduction of conjunction. A conjunction is a word that is used to connect words, phrases, and clauses. There are many conjunctions in English language, but some common ones include and, or, but, because, for, if, and when. Definition of conjunction. What is a conjunction? A conjunction is like a glue. It helps things to stick together. A conjunctions join words, phrase, and sentences which are called clause. Remember conjunction is fan voice. These words connect words, phrase, and clauses. F for, A for and, N for not, B for but, O for or, Y for yet, and S for so. For Sam drank some water for he was thirsty. And I take milk and sugar in my tea. Nor Sarah does not like apples, nor does she like pears. But all children wanted to eat pizza, but no one wanted to buy it. Or we could go to a zoo, or we could go to a theme park. Yet the weather was cold and wet, yet we enjoy very much. So he is sick, so he is not going to school. Conjunctions, meaning and examples. Where these words are used, let us see that. For, used like a reason, presents reason. Sam drank some water for he was thirsty. Why Sam drank water? Because he was thirsty. Because here is giving the reason. That's why we are using for here. And where we should use and. Used to show addition, present ideas that are similar. Example. I take milk and sugar in my tea. So, milk and sugar. We are adding milk and sugar in the tea. That's why we are using and here. When addition is there, we will use and. Nor. Used to say not. Present a negative idea with others. Meera does not like apple, nor she does like mango. Meera does not like apple, nor she like mango. So here the negative are there. He doesn't like apple, he doesn't like mango. So she doesn't like apple also and she doesn't like mango also. That's why we are using nor here. But shows and contrast. Contrast means opposite things. Present idea that are opposite. I go to work on Sunday, but I do not go to work on Saturday. Most often we have a holiday on Sunday. We are working on Saturday, but here the things are opposite, right? That's why we are using but. Or shows an option, present an alternative ideas or a choice. Here, if two things are given and if you are asking for the choice, what do you want? Let us see this example. We could go to a zoo or we could go to a theme park. Here, the choice is there, a zoo or a theme park. That's why we are using or. Yet, present an outcome or an contrast. He say nice word, yet you doesn't trust him because here the person is same but her faces are different. That's why we are using yet. Nice word, the person is saying nice word but you don't trust him. That's why we are using yet here. Complete the sentence with a correct conjunction. Let's see here some examples so the conjunctions will be clear to you. First is my grandma makes tasty food dash tasty snacks. Now here tasty food and tasty snack. So we have to add this. So we will use and. My grandma make tasty food and tasty snacks. Second one is her writing is good. Dash her spellings are weak. Here good and weak are the opposite word, contrast words. That's why we will use but. Now here Matt dash John are playing on the beach. So here these two persons are playing in the same beach. So we are adding these two persons. So we will use and. Next is Alice fell down dash she did not get hurt. So here he fell down, she does not get hurt. It is an opposite thing. That's why we will use but. Hope you have understood this. Here comes the end of this chapter. Following instructions you have to follow. You have to write exercise in your notebook from the PDF. You have to take the picture of your work and send this to email address.